Registering for classes at Texas A&M University Commerce takes just a few easy steps. First, head to MyLeo at myleo.tamuc.edu. Then, click on the big Sign In to MyLeo button on the right-hand side of the page. Enter your CWID and password to log in. After that, you'll be prompted for Duo authentication. I'll choose to send a push to my phone. On your phone, click the Approve button on the notification. And if you don't have the Duo mobile app installed, you can download it for free from the App Store for iPhone users or the Google Play Store for Android users. When you're finished logging into MyLeo, go to the Student Resources tab. Under Student Information, click the link for the registration menu, but just make sure that you're using either a Google Chrome or Firefox web browser to complete your registration. In the registration menu, select the option Register for Classes. And now pick one of the terms open for registration. I'm going to select Summer 1 for this example, and click Continue. If you know the course reference numbers, or CRNs, for your classes, then go to the Enter CRNs tab. Here, you can enter your first CRN number. Click Add Another CRN to enter additional numbers for as many classes as you need for the semester. Then, select Add to Summary. Now, if you don't know the CRNs for your classes, that's okay. Simply click the Find Classes tab. Here, you can search for classes by subject, course number, and keywords. For more robust options, select Advanced Search to open up a wide variety of filters. Let's say I want to take an accounting class. I can select Accounting from the subject drop-down menu here, and then click Search. Now I can see a list of all the available accounting classes. Down the row, you can find your CRNs. Copy the one you need, head back to Enter CRNs, and paste. Back in the Find Classes search, you can also click the Add button on the far right side to quickly add a searched course to your summary. After adding your CRNs or courses from the search results to your summary, they'll show up in the bottom right of the screen in the Summary panel. Here, you can see all your added classes, credit hours, registration status, and make changes with the Action column. Off to the left, in the Schedule panel, you can see your class schedule in a calendar view to make sure your selected classes will work together. Once you're finished and ready to complete your online registration, just click the Submit button in the lower right corner, and you should be good to go. Now, there are a couple things you might run into. If you receive a registration error message, such as level restrictions, please contact the department for the course you're attempting to register for. Some departments block certain courses, which require their permission approval code to register. If you receive a message stating you have a hold, please select View Holds back on the Student Resources tab in MyLeo. Here, you can view the holds on your account. Reach out to your academic advisor or relevant department to find the best way to resolve the hold on your account. Thanks for watching, and happy registration, Lions!